Last video, causes of unemployment. First, low productivity in agriculture sector combined with lack of alternative opportunities for agricultural worker, which makes transition from primary to secondary in tertiary sectors difficult. Already the production is decreasing. The people working in agriculture sector, they don't have the opportunities or the alternative during a time of particular season. We can say the disguised unemployment or seasonal unemployment. So the opportunities are limited, or you can say no opportunities. Production is decreasing. So what they will do? They'll move to secondary and tertiary sector. But what is the condition with secondary and tertiary sector? They require a particular skill. Even in manufacturing, a particular person who is engaged in industries or at construction sites, they know their work. They are doing it from past few years. They have knowledge and skill in their work. Same with tertiary. Teacher know how to teach, lawyer know how to fight a case, business representatives, they know how to sell their products. So for the people who are switched from agriculture, the primary to secondary and shifting from primary to secondary and tertiary, they find very difficult to meet the present requirements, or you can say they find very difficult to find a job. That is also the major cause of unemployment, the lack of alternate opportunities and low production in agriculture sector. Second, regressive social norms that deter women from taking or continuing employment. I'm fed up of this words, social norms. Male is allowed to work anywhere, any kind of work, but women are not. This is not in every family, but maximum it is there. That's why the point is written. Many times, even in the good families, women are not allowed to do work after marriage. And if they are doing, the nature of job is fixed. Suppose teaching, nursing, hospitality. The radius of office will be fixed, the same city. But the trend is now changing. It will take some more time to accept this, that women are not only to be a good mother, to be a good wife. No. Her expectations, her opportunities and other things are same as her male counterpart. So this is also the cause of unemployment, not only in India but in other countries also. That's all in this video. Thank you so much. In my next video, we'll talk about impacts of unemployment. Thank you so much.